Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. We have here 3 regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. 3 regular medium Sudokus. There are also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I think 5 Sudokus extra. But we will first solve these 3 regular Sudokus, and the first one is a binary Sudoku, and this will be a number 1366. And what kind of a binary puzzle is this? Let me count. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here O, then O. Then between 2 1's comes an O, between 2 1's comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there O. Double O, here and 1, and there 1. Double 1, here and O, and there O. We have 1 2 3 4 5 O, so the rest are 1's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O there O. Double O here, 1 there 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1's. Then between 2 1's comes an O. Let me see. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Then double 1 here and O, there and O. Then am I stuck? I do not know. 1 2 3 4. I need extra 1. This should be between an O and a 1. There's always an O and a 1. Alright. So 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O. So this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then yeah. Well. Let me think. 1 2 3 4 2 3. Double 1 here no, and there no. Can I find something? Can I find an opening? Between 2 O's comes an 1, so double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. 1 2 3 4, yeah. 1 2 3 4, yeah. Alright, double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 1 here or there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So here cannot be an 1. Here should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here and O, there no, double O here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there no, double O here, 1, there 1. Alright. We have here 4 1s. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. You need to find an opening. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in this daily newspaper. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye. See you soon.